JBN, we keep you informed. I am Michelle Jones, and in the news, Hanover woman says she was next in line to be sacrificed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items. Hanover woman was among the congregants at the Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries in Paradise, St. James on Sunday, when deadly violence erupted, is now emotionally drained after realizing how close she came to death. The woman, whose family has asked that her name not be mentioned, said that she has been a member of the religious group for over a year and was contacted on Saturday and instructed to dress in white garments for her visit to the church on Sunday. She was also told to prepare herself to be cleansed, as some members of the congregation will be traveling on a heavenly journey, as an ark would be coming for them at 9:30 a.m. on Monday. I thought the term that those who are cleansed would be received on the ark was just a biblical term. I never dreamt that it was actually our leader who was going to be taking our lives through sacrifice, the no remorseful woman said. A number of the sisters were very happy and anxious to be among those who were to be cleansed, but we never knew that we were going to be murdered. She said that when she arrived at the location on Sunday afternoon, church leaders had gathered around and were calling up members of the congregation one at a time, as a ritual was underway to determine who was worthy of boarding the ark. Those who found themselves lucky were placed to one side, while some away, who he said needed to be cleansed, were placed by ourselves, she added. They would be in for a rude awakening, she said, as a senior figure in the church took hold of one of the congregants and began cutting her throat. Everybody frightened when he cut the first lady throat. Then he moved to a man in front of me and cut him throat too, the woman claimed, adding that she wet herself when she realized she was next in line. Me nearly dropped down. However, she said that before he came over to her, he removed some tubes from a man who had recently been discharged from hospital, causing blood to splash all over. Everybody started running for them life. And same time, I saw one of the leader them with a shotgun, like the one the guard them used upon the Brinks truck. And me hear when the gunfire. But all me know says that me run as fast as me could go, she said, adding that efforts were made to stop them from escaping. According to the woman, she was one of the first persons who fled, jumping over a wall into a yard where she begged a call to tell her mother what had happened. Up to now, me can't believe how close me come for dead left me little daughter, she said. When asked if she should return to the church if it should reopen, the woman responded no emphatically. JBN, we keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.